Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about 70 my 2-hour full recharge power station. So friend, the brand announced today its official launch of 70 my power station Terra 1000, and friend, this durable and easy to use power station first debuted for pre-order last year, and it had achieved over $1.5 million in sales globally, and friend, it is now officially available in US on 70 my official store and packed with clean and electrically and solar charging, and Terra 1000 is made for everyday power needs at home, off the grid or on the way, and friend, with 1200 watt rated power or 2400 watt surge power and 10 outlets. The Terra 1000 is designed to provide stable power to any mobile device, majority of outdoor equipment and home appliances, even for car batteries, and it can be charged in a four flexible ways via AC outlet, gas generator, car cigarette lighter and solar panel, and friend, comes with advanced inverter technology and fully recharge in as fast as 2 hours or recharge to 80% in 1 hour, and friend, it is the industry's first power station which is equipped with 3 built-in ventilation space including a die-cast aluminum heat sinks, and friend, it is equipped with patent 2-in-1 inverter, and friend, eliminates the bulky adapter which allow user to carry energy announced without being dragged down by extra weight, and connected with app through Bluetooth to control remotely, and allows user to check status in real time, monitor carbon emission savings and so on. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.